I get it over here in the dark where we can actually see what we're doing. But I'll turn the flashlight back on. I want you to look right there. Focus, focus, focus. There is a hairline crack here and goes across the gear. It goes, you can't really see it, but it is. It's a hairline crack. And, well, I'm sort of scared to put that one in there. Yeah. I mean, chances are it'll never break, but you never know. Damn, that's just a pisser, you know. I noticed it when I was hunting that damn thing, but you can see it. And that's just a tooth right here. The timing tooth itself. So apparently when they punched it, that little dude split and cracked. Now it's heat tempered, granted, I do see that, but it's still scary.